And tower 28 Tango November, we just lost our right engine. We need to come back for a landing. We're 123 Mayday, we're putting it down barrel, runway 7 at barrel, runway 7 at barrel, Trans-Northern 123, landing.
Trans-Northern 123, runway 7 left, good for takeoff.
7 left, clear for takeoff, Trans-Northern 123, we'll need just a 20-second run up here.
Trans-Northern 123, roger. A12, runway 7 left, connect 3 departure, clear for takeoff.
Connect 3, clear for takeoff, 7 left, A12. And tower 28 Tango November, we just lost our right engine. We need to come back for a landing.
28 Tango November, roger, enter right downwind for runway 7 left.
Right downwind 7 left, 28 Tango November.
A12, cancel takeoff, Corn.
Cancel takeoff, crew, A12.
A12, turn left, next available taxiway, contact ground.
Off at Yankee and over to ground, A12.
Tango November, winds are 0503. Did you want straight in for 25 left?
Tower Trans-Northern 123, we want a left turn, and circling back for runway 7.
Trans-Northern 123, left turn approved.
Left turn approved, Trans-Northern 123. Tower Trans-Northern 123, we're going to be entering Merrill's airspace here, continuing on in the north, trying to get a good climb rate.
Trans-Northern 123, it's approved in the Merrill's airspace and Lake Hood segment. There's no traffic in Merrill, I got one guy in Lake Hood, we'll keep advised of him.
Copy, Trans-Northern 123. We're 123 Mayday, we're putting it down barrel, runway 7 at barrel, runway 7 at barrel, Trans-Northern 123, landing. Mayday, landing runway 7 at Merrill, landing 7 at Merrill.
Trans-Northern 123, Merrill knows, they got the traffic cleared for you.
Fuck yeah, he made it!